Assalamu alaikum viewer, how are you today? I bring for you another video. This video I show how to gear oil change and then put it RTV silicone. I open it now 14mm bolt. You need to 14mm wrench for open this bolt. Now I put out its old gear oil, and then now I open this gear plate bolt. There have so many bolt. This is 10mm bolt. You need to 10mm T wrench. This T wrench I make it for open it this gear plate. Guys, I open it this gear plate now. Look, this one gear filter, but today I don't open this gear filter. I only open this gear plate. Today I show how to gear plate put it RTV silicone and then put gear oil. You must be careful for gear oil put because this is sensitive gear. You must be put gear oil WS. Don't put another oil. Now put it RTV silicone. This is original silicone. Plate now. I put out now this gear gauge. Look, there have is two mark. You must be put gear oil T4 and another one WS. You don't put another oil. Here, if you put another oil, your gear will be damaged. I put gear oil WS. This is original oil. I put 4 liter for this gear. This gear oil you can run 100,000 kilometer. 100,000 kilometer after then change this gear oil. Now we are need to check gear oil. First of all, you start engine and then put reverse gear. Look, there have a 3 marks, 1, 2, 3. You put it must be up mark. You start engine and then put reverse gear and then check oil. Okay viewers, I am done my work. If you like my video, please subscribe, press bell icon and then like, share. Bye bye, Allah Hafiz.